Hello, my name is Ayo, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a few things actually. One of which is why we only have two equinoxes. And just in case you don't know what an equinox is basically when we have equal day and nights. So 12 hours a day and 12 hours a night. So back to the original question, why we only have two equinoxes a year. Well, the reason is the Earth is only perpendicular to the Sun 2 times a year on its orbit, and that's the only time when all of the parts of the Earth have the same amount of daylight and same amount of night. Now I'm going to tell you about the connection between the winter solstice and the autumnal equinox and who John G. Jackson is. So here's how the autumnal equinox and the winter solstice relate. Note that the winter solstice is the time when the day stops dying and is reborn. When the day has come back enough for night and day to be equal, the Earth is perpendicular to the Sun and the autumnal equinox happens. Now, John G. Jackson. My source for all of this information, just to let you know, is Wikipedia. So, John G. Jackson was born on April 1st, 1907 in Aiken, South Carolina. He died October 13th, 1993. He was a Pan-Africanist, historian, lecturer, teacher, writer, and activist. And fun fact, in 1925, while still a high school student, he was invited to write for Marcus Garvey's newspaper, The Negro World. Now I'll be telling you about the connection between the summer solstice and the spring equinox, and how seasons are made. Here's how the summer solstice and spring equinox relate. Note that the summer solstice is when the day starts to die. When the day has gone away enough for day and night to be equal, the spring equinox will happen. How seasons are made. The tilt of the Earth is why we have seasons. In January, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun and is getting less sunlight, while the southern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun and is getting a lot of the sun's light. So in January, the southern hemisphere has summer and the northern hemisphere has winter. In June, the opposite happens. The northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun to get summer, and the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun to get winter. When the equinoxes come around, we get spring and fall. And that's it. Thanks for watching.